Watch this video very closely.
Here it is right here, Amish cough syrup. Page 102, the Amish cough syrup. Here it is with the images, and it gives you all the ingredients that you would need. It gives you the instructions on exactly how to make it and a dosage amount to take. This Forgotten Home Apothecary book has 250 remedies at your fingertips. And if you look at the table of content, it's literally set up like an apothecary, like how it was back in the day. This is a great resource that every household needs to have. Only issue, it keeps selling out. So if that shopping cart showing down below, hurry and grab it while you can.